Today, we will notice the tension in your body and gently relax what you can. Find a comfortable position. You can sit on a chair, a cushion, or anywhere your body feels supported. Let your hands rest naturally. Close your eyes gently, or lower your gaze. Take one slow breath in. And slowly breathe out. Now let the breath return to its natural rhythm. You do not need to make yourself calm. For the next few minutes, we are simply going to notice the body. Begin by feeling the support beneath you. Notice the weight of your body resting on the chair, cushion, or floor. Feel your feet if they are touching the ground. Now notice the body as it actually feels. Perhaps some areas already feel relaxed. Other places may be holding more effort than they need. Bring your attention to the shoulders. Do not change them immediately. First, notice their position. Are they raised slightly? Pulled forward? Or already relaxed? Now see if you can relax the shoulder muscles just a little. There is no need to push them downward. Simply stop holding them up if you do not need to. Take one slow breath in. And slowly breathe out. Notice whether the shoulders relax a little more as you breathe out. Now bring attention to your jaw. Notice whether your teeth are pressed together. Notice the muscles around the mouth. If you are holding tension there, allow a little space between the teeth. Let the jaw relax. Let the tongue rest naturally. Move your attention to the forehead and the area around the eyes. Sometimes we tense these muscles without realizing it. See whether the forehead can relax. Let the muscles around the eyes do a little less. You do not need to make your face look peaceful. Just allow unnecessary effort to stop. Now notice your hands. Feel the fingers. Let the hands rest. Relax the fingers wherever you can. Notice how ordinary this is. The body can hold tension while we are answering someone, driving, waiting for something, or simply thinking about a difficult conversation. Sometimes nothing stressful is happening right now, but the body is still reacting to something that happened earlier, or something you are worried might happen later. Notice whether that is happening anywhere in your body now. Perhaps you feel tension in the stomach, the chest, the neck, or somewhere else. You do not need to search for it. Just notice what is already obvious. Choose one area. Feel the sensation directly, instead of immediately calling it stress or tension. Notice what it actually feels like. Perhaps pressure, tightness, heaviness. Now ask yourself quietly, do I need to hold this muscle this tightly right now? If you can relax it a little, let that happen. If it does not relax, leave it alone. You are not doing anything wrong. Relaxation is not something we need to force. Trying too hard to relax can become another kind of tension. The practice is simple. Notice where you are holding. Relax what you can, and allow the rest to be there. Return to the feeling of being supported. Let the surface beneath you carry your weight. Feel the feet, the legs, the hands. Notice whether you are using muscles that you do not need to use right now. Perhaps the stomach is slightly braced. Perhaps the shoulders have tightened again. Perhaps the hands have started gripping. When you notice this, you do not need to be frustrated. Just relax those muscles again if you can. Now take a deep breath in. And as you breath out, notice the body. Do not push the breath out. Just let it go. Take another deep breath in. As you breathe out, allow the body to rest a little more heavily into its support. Now let go of controlling the breath completely. For a few moments, simply sit. Notice tension when it appears, and relax what does not need to be held. You can use this practice outside meditation too. Imagine you are working and suddenly notice your shoulders raised. You do not need to stop working. Notice them. Relax them. Or perhaps you are driving and realize you are gripping the steering wheel much harder than necessary. Notice your hands. Relax your grip. Maybe you read a message that bothers you, and suddenly your jaw tightens. Before responding, notice what happened in the body. Relax what you can. These small moments matter because tension often appears before we consciously realize that we are stressed. The body can become an early signal. Now bring your attention back to the whole body. Feel yourself sitting here. Notice the face, the jaw, the shoulders, the hands, the stomach, the legs. There is no need for every part of the body to feel completely relaxed. Simply notice whether you are holding anything that you can let go of. Take one slightly deeper breath in, and slowly breathe out. Notice how the body feels now. Maybe it feels more relaxed. Maybe one or two areas feel different. Or perhaps you simply notice the tension more clearly than before. All of those are valid. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. This was day 9. During your day, occasionally check your shoulders, jaw, hands, or stomach. You may notice stress in the body before you notice it in your thoughts.